I'm going to show you how you can add a drop-down menu in Shopify. Now, this is a feature that's not natively available, so you will have to go to your search bar up here, and then you want to search up something called drop-down here. Now, on drop-down, you want to search drop-down in Shopify App Store. Just click on that. Now, once you click on that, it'll just redirect you to the Shopify App Store here. Now, ignore most of these apps. You want to go ahead and go to this one, drop-down tagger. Tap on this. Now, on here, just tap on install like this. Now, it'll just load up like this. Let's just wait for this to load. Once it loads, let's just tap on install here to install it. Give it a second. Great. Now, once it's loaded, you'll see this is what it will look like. First off, let's do a couple of settings first. For the drop-down title, I'm just going to tap on select category. I'm just going to leave it like that. And then the list of options, and there's reply message, and there's tag authors here as well, right? If you want to add more drop-down values, you're going to put it like this, right? So list of options, you're going to do 1, 2, and then for the message, 1, 2, and then for the tag authors, 1, 2 as well, like this, right? So 1, 2, it's just for an example here. Just tap on save here. Now, once you click on save, let's just enable our application. Let's tap on enable now, and you can see this is what it will look like. Now it'll be enabled. Now, once it's enabled, let's go ahead and go to our online store to check. Now, once in our shop area here, this is what you will see.